Hi, I'm Lucia from Monroe and I'm thrilled to present to you this fantastic 4-bedroom semi-detached home in the heart of Old Woodley. Welcome to 8 Avenue Gardens. As you enter the property, you are immediately greeted by a bright and spacious hallway that leads into the formal living room. Flooded with natural light, this elegant space is enhanced by a charming feature fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The ground floor also features a modern kitchen, equipped with high-end integrated appliances and a separate dining area, ideal for family meals or hosting guests. The ground floor also benefits from a convenient guest WC. On the first floor, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, 2 of which include built-in wardrobes, providing ample storage space. The 4th bedroom is currently being used as a home office, offering a versatile living option. This stylish and contemporary bathroom offers a sleek and functional layout perfect for modern living, featuring a luxurious freestanding bath and a walk-in shower. Step into this beautifully landscaped rear garden, a true haven for outdoor living and relaxation. The space features a manicured lawn, which is bordered by a vibrant array of mature plants. The paved patio area provides the perfect spot for alfresco dining or entertaining. Don't miss out the opportunity to make this a fabulous 4-bedroom home in the heart of LS17 yours. Call Monroe today.